Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day look for you guys. If you guys would like to see the look, please stay tuned. But before we get started, do not forget to like and subscribe, and also hit the bell below if you guys want to see whenever I post. Thanks and enjoy the video. Today I'm going to be serving you guys a Valentine's Day look, which is going to be like a pinky smoky eye. So first I'm going to start out with doing my hair, as you guys see here. I don't just wake up in the morning and wear my hair out. No, your girl has to detangle it, then put it in some twisties, and then after, I'm going to wear it out and have it all Afrocentric and nice. Done with the hair, I'm gonna prime my face with the Becca Luminous primer, as I always do. Prime them eyes, baby, with the Stay Don't Strain. Yep, this is my baby right here. If you guys don't know, this is my first primer I've ever gotten, and I just fell in love with it because I have oily lids. So, you know, the fact that I could find something that can actually keep on eyeshadow, that was probably the best thing that ever happened to me. And to begin this smoky eye look, I'm going to use my Blush Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to put that nice pinky color on my crease in my eye. And this is like, I like this color. If you guys know, I use this color all the time. It's life. My friend Christina from my old job, she literally had this kit on, and I was like, oh my gosh, girl, what's this blush? Track this thing down, and I found it. So shout out to you, Christina. I love you, girl. I'm going to use the brown in the Huda Beauty Palette to do my eyelids. Into my crease with the Makeup Forever, I believe it's called the Diamond Brown. And now I'm going to take this orange right here, and I'm going to put it on like my outer crease, kind of where I put the brown. I'm just going to go over it and kind of try to lighten up the look. But mostly it's like my top outer crease and my brow bone. Guys, I don't know if this is the right terminology, but I'm just trying to be as descriptive as possible. It's foundation time. And I'm going to take my Fenty, my Bobbi brown, and also my friend's Becca. And what we gonna do, y'all? I think you guys already know what we're doing. I won't even say it. I won't even say it, but you guys know what I'm doing here. It's Valentine's Day, so I gotta contour this face up, okay, to be looking snatched for my man. So now I'm gonna go in the color Chestnut, and I'm going to start putting on my concealer. Some under my eyes, my nose, the top of my lip, and my chin, and my forehead. Using my beauty blender, I'm just gonna blend out my concealer. I like to use my beauty blender wet, and I don't wet it with water. I actually wet it with setting spray, whatever setting spray you usually use. I'd recommend that. For me, I use the Urban Decay and sometimes the NYX matte finish, but today I'm using the Urban Decay. I'm going to set under my eyes with the Becca Brightening Under Eye Setting Powder. Y'all know what time it is. It's brow time. I did my eyebrows off camera this time, y'all, because my eyebrows weren't giving me any type of respect on camera, so sorry about that, but next time. Now I'm going to use my Sephora foundation powder to go over all my face and also wipe off the excess powder under my eye. I'm gonna add a bit of blush. Something I really like doing is adding my highlighter over where I added my blush so that it can kind of be like a pinky highlighter. So I'm going to add my Bobbi brown over where I put my blush. So now it's just going to be just basically pop it. And you guys already know I can't end there with the highlighter. So I'm going to add my Luna highlighter in the color Luna. And I'm just going to add that some more. And I'm going to put a little bit on my nose as well and on the bridge. Because it's Valentine's Day and you really got to be glowing. I'm going to add the color True Grit by Smashbox on these lips right here. what I'm going to do after putting this on, I'm going to add a little bit of a pink matte lipstick I have. And I'm going to put that in the center of my lip just to lighten up this color a bit. Because it's Valentine's Day, I don't want to have kind of like a darker lip. Okay, y'all, we're moving on to the hair. Let's get it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out these scrunchies right here. And then I'm going to, I like to work on one side and then go to the other side. So I'm going to untwist my hair. And untwist the other one as well. And now I'm going to take a wide tooth comb. And I'm just going to comb it out. After I was done doing my hair, I just realized that it wasn't pinky enough for me. So I went in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills kit and put the pink that I used at first, and I just put a little bit more just to make it look more soft and more cute. Thank you guys for watching the video, and if you enjoyed it, please hit the like button below, and I'll see y'all next time.